In this week's video, I'm going over 7 Shopify dropshipping winner products that you can use inside your e-commerce business to blow up your store this holiday season. These 7 winner products are proven to work. I'm gonna be giving you the stores that are going viral with them right now, the videos that are going viral with them, and everything behind those products so you can use them for your own success. My name is Sam Jacobs, and over the last few years, I've been able to generate over $5 million online. The last year has been absolutely crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is one of my stores. There you go, $821,000 in just a few short months with one product. Now, one product is all it takes, and let me just focus this real quick. There you go. One product is all what it takes. And I've done it over and over and over. In fact, I've been able to scale close to 10 products to the $5 million mark that I generated online. So if you're struggling with your e-commerce store right now, or you found winners in the past, or just want to look for another one, to make money online, all you need is that one product to pop off. And in this video, I'm showing you 7. So if you do enjoy any of the content and you enjoy the products that I show you in this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below the word Shopify. If you do all those steps and comment below the word Shopify, you're gonna be entered to win a custom free Shopify store. So what I'm gonna do is build you a custom made store with one of these products. Subscriber to get a free custom made store. Last week's winner is Jack Sessler. He said Shopify. Love the depth of the questions that you asked to really understand how to do it step by step. Not just clickbait, but to straight to the point content. Really like to focus on building relationships and a genuine community. I love that, Jack. Thank you for the comment and congratulations on winning your free custom made store. You can go ahead and message me on Instagram. And by the way, you guys should all follow me over there. I post a ton of e-commerce content on there, and I'm actively looking for new students. I've currently made 3 millionaire students from our programs and now looking to do 2 more to make it a total of 5 for this year. So if you go ahead and message me the word eCom on Instagram, I can show you all the details and see if you're the right fit to work one-on-one with me or with one of our programs. Students are absolutely crushing it inside our community and getting sales just like all this. So if you do want to join my program and learn step by step how to make money online, TikTok organic, how to make a custom Shopify store, how to go ahead and find winner products, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, you name it, everything is fully updated in the program, step by step online. Will be inside the description if you'd like to purchase the program, or you can message me on Instagram to get more information and to apply. So with that, let's go ahead and get into these 7 winner products. So here we go, product number 1. Everyone is now going back to school, and that means that you should go ahead and start selling back to school products, especially things that solve a problem, okay? This product actually is pretty cool. Take a look. So pretty much this product goes ahead and makes people taller in school, especially if they're wearing Air Forces and stuff like that. They don't really see them in the bottom of the shoe. And this video absolutely went viral, got over 2 million views, 4,000 shares, 69,000 likes, 4,000 comments. Absolutely crazy results for this. What I would go ahead and do is actually build a store around this one product, and I think do very well. If it did well for them, it can do well for you. Let's go ahead and see the actual store. So here's the store. They're selling the product for about $25 or so, and if you go ahead and get this from AliExpress or use something like Commercive, then you can go ahead and probably get this for a few bucks. Margins are pretty high on this, so this is a great product to either sell this on TikTok organic, meaning making videos on TikTok to go viral to sell this product, or to even run ads with a video like that I just showed you. Overall, I would rate the store probably 5 out of 10. Not such a great store. It just looks a little bit childish, just not so professional. So definitely a lot of room to improve on this product. What I would also do is a little bundle. So you can say, hey, buy 2 and get $10 off, buy 3 and get $15 off, so on. So here's product number 2, moving right along. Product number 2 is actually pretty cool. At first, it just looks like a regular lamp, but watch what it does. Sick, okay? And I've seen products like this with cool lights and stuff like that go absolutely viral. So You know, in the past, a lot of lights and really cool galaxy lamps have just done crazy numbers, and I've never seen something like this before. This absolutely exploded as well. Got 1,800 shares, 900 comments. Pretty insane. This went really well, I believe, on Facebook. So if it did well on Facebook, it can do very well on TikTok as well. I like to see this because this is super untapped and you can use it on TikTok right now. Let's go ahead and see the actual product. So it's going ahead and they're selling it for around $30. This seems to be a general store. So it's a general store. That means they're selling all different types of products. And usually general stores don't even nearly do as well as one product stores, as we teach inside eCom Uprise University. One product stores do a lot better than general stores, okay? That means we want to sell just this one product. So what I would do is build a store with this just one product. You can even go ahead and sell it for more than $29.99, but $29.99 is a pretty good price point, leaves you with a good margin as well. Now the products are just getting better and better, so I hope you guys are enjoying. If you do, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe with that notification bell, and just want to quickly say, check out Commercive. Commercive is the absolute plug when it comes to fulfillment. If you want 6 to 12 day shipping on your orders, so you don't have to deal with your orders at all, dropship from China to the US from 6 to 12 days, which is absolutely amazing. Check out commercive.co. I'm gonna leave the application link right down below. It's usually not meant for beginners. However, there's no MOQ, meaning you don't have to have any orders at all. However, we do recommend you have some order flow. If you're doing a few orders a day, even up to 1,000 orders a day, you can be using Commercive. We have over 500 clients at this point, and we're growing super quick. So if you need product fulfillment for any of your brands, big or small, hit up commercive.co. Let's move on. The next product is actually pretty cool. Okay, this one is a brush, and it absolutely went crazy on TikTok, and still definitely a lot more potential to go. We got 176,000 views. I saw a few other TikToks that did very well with this product, but let's watch it and you can see for yourself. So this is a pretty cool brush. I don't really know what it does, but let's go ahead and see it on the web. So it's kind of like a Barbie brush. I don't know why they called it that, but it's actually a pretty cool name. I guess it's just an overall really cool brush that takes out the dried up hair and harmful bacteria. So pretty cool. It solves a problem, and I can definitely see this go viral because a lot of girls have like little hairs that they do, or baby hairs they want to take out, and you know, regular brushes don't really do that. This brush does that. So pretty cool. It has a button, I guess, that I don't know what exactly it does, to be honest, but overall look into this product because I just saw it going viral on TikTok, and you can look into it if you want to sell it. So that is product number 3 or 4. Yep, that's product number 3. Moving on to number 4. This product is sick. And when I tell you sick, it's sick, okay? I don't just say it if I don't mean it. That's fire. Come on. That's fire. Look at that. It's pretty much a Harry Potter wand. I don't know why I said brush, but this wand is sick, okay? It's going viral right now on, I think, Pinterest. And like, if it's going viral on Pinterest, come on, it can probably do crazy numbers on TikTok as well. Let's look at the product page and take a look at this. And how it all works. So it's literally like a firebolt shooter. You put like a little paper inside, and then I guess it has like a little spark and then a thrust of air. And how cool is that? Come on. I think this would go viral on TikTok itself, and definitely a lot of room to grow because this is on a general store as well. Go ahead and sell this product. Easy 6 figures. Let's go. Moving on to number 5. I'm losing track. This is pretty cool because these type of track pants are in style. Everyone wants it super tight. If you can find this and source it, it can do very well. Commercive probably has it. So it's track pants, but you can actually make it tighter. Okay, let's just go to the website so I'll show you more in depth. All right, I guess it's like a brand itself, but it doesn't seem like it's anything special that AliExpress or Commercive won't have. I don't know why they're not sending people to actually product page. I guess they are, but a lot of these track pants right now that have like the buttons or the zippers on the bottom are doing super well, just like this. So definitely if you want to start a clothing brand, look into this type of products because damn, they're doing well. I actually just spent like a few $100s on pants like this. So if you can go ahead and get this on AliExpress, they for sure have it. Commercive probably has it. Obviously use AliExpress first and then use Commercive once you have some orders. You know, it's holiday season coming up and everyone wants to do something cool, unique. These squishy things are so freaking cute. Definitely worth the price, as they say. I would actually buy this because I just got a new place, just got married, guys. Let's go. Yeah, like this is something I'll probably buy for my place. You could buy a bunch of them for your whole family and stuff. I don't know why they're selling them for $9.90. Look into this because it can definitely do well, and you can probably sell it for a lot more. I'm not sure like, you know, how big it is. I guess 28 inches, so it's not like that big. But I guess this pillow's super plushy and squishy, so let's go. Super cute. I love how they made this, super branded. It's called squishing.com. Very cute. I guess they're selling all different types of squishy stuff. And overall, this can definitely do well, so look into it. This is a great branded product, okay? And I think we're last but not least. Yeah, we're last but not least. The best for last, as always. If you stay to the end, you're a loyal subscriber. I love you. I cannot thank you guys enough. The channel just hit 2,000 subs, and we're trying to grow faster than ever, and it's all because of you guys. So I'm gonna try to keep on pumping out this content, so if you came to the end, then let's go. You know, I guess you're taking e-commerce seriously, and you definitely deserve to be successful. I wish you the best of luck with everything you do. All the links to be ultra successful in the e-commerce world is gonna be in the description below. Go check it out, and I love you. Let's do the last. Sick is that? Come on, let's go. Last product is a banger. So people who clicked off earlier didn't get it, and probably it's more on top now. But this is pretty cool. You can literally you can really plug it into anything, and then it's just the coolest light show ever. You know, you can put it in cars and stuff like that. The only problem that I have with this product is that it's a little cheap. However, for TikTok, organic, it could probably do very well, and most people will be buying more than one. They can buy for their car, they can be buying for their house, and so on and so forth. So take a look at this product. Definitely a cool one. For organic, it can definitely work, but not my best and favorite for ads. But yeah, those are the 7 winter products for this month. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace out. Let's go.